So let us see our strategy. We have designed our strategy for 5 seconds time frame, 5 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and 1 hour time frame. So this is a algo trading strategy we have given for our JJP Trading Academy. Now we have introducing this. So now I will be showing first of all for 5 minutes time frame. So every as a trader, as every trader, we are first of all using only for as a base time frame as a 5 minutes time frame. So I will be showing you the back test of this trading strategy for 5 minutes time frame right now. So you can see this is the strategy test included in TradingView platform. So you can see here. Now this is the backtest result given by TradingView platform for 250 trading days. For the past 250 trading days, this is the backtest result. If you go for the list of trade, you can see here the trade has been started from 16th June 2020 till this date. Okay, so till this date, we have calculated that this is giving you a backtest for 250 trading days. Okay, so for 250 trading days, our indicator is providing this is the backtest, and you can see the settings tab. First of all, if you click the settings tab, you will be getting an option for intraday. If you are a positional trader, you need to disable this. Okay, if you disable this, this is the positional trade entries taken. It is taking only 105 trade entries, and it is giving you a 78% profit for the past 250 trading days. Okay, and you can see here. Now, if you are using the target and stop loss, we have fixed here defaultly a target and stop loss, which is 320 points as the target and the stop loss as 120 points. For Bank Nifty Direct Index, we have kept this stop loss. So manually, we have kept this stop loss as the default. So whenever you are choosing the indicator to a target and stop loss, this is the ratio you will be getting. That means 20,852 points we are going to reach, and 228 trades it has been taken, and 52% only it's the profit. So if you are not giving the target and stop loss, it is giving you high result because our indicator will be providing you a long or short entries. Whenever the market is changing towards the long entry and short entry opposite side entries, there will be another signal. So it will be squaring off this position and it will be taking the another position. So whenever you are not using the stop loss and target, this is showing you this result. 50,594 points it is taking, and the max drawdown is 1,165 points. The max drawdown is considered as the stop loss. Stop loss hunting trades, right? Whenever we are taking the trades, the stop loss hunting trades ratio is continuously hitted only for 1,165 points. Okay, can you understand, sir? Okay, now you can see here. Now you can see the performance summary ratio. The performance summary ratio will be giving you 105 trades has been taken and 82 trades has been hitting the target and 23 trades has been in a loss. Okay. So now we are seeing only in the 5 minutes time frame. So we have designed our strategy for 5 seconds time frame to make it more accuracy. So first of all, you can see in 5 seconds time frame. Now I am moving to 5 seconds time frame here. The 5 seconds data provided by TradingView platform is for just 5 days they are providing. We have achieved the last 5 days 2,791 points with this strategy, and 29 trades has been executed with a 75% of profit. Okay, and the max drawdown is taken only for 93 points right now. Okay, now you can see this is we have kept for intraday trade setup with 2,791 points has been reached for the past 5 days. Okay, past 5 days. Okay, and 93 points has been reached the max drawdown. With the stop loss ratio, you can see here. Now, if I keep the stop loss, this is the ratio has been taken. That means we have kept the stop loss of 60 points as the stop loss, and the target is 120 points. So if I kept the stop loss target also, if I kept means it is giving you only 2,673 points. If you are not using the targets, you are just waiting for the opposite side entry. Our signal is highly probable and it is designed based upon the long and short entries. Whenever the long and short entry is taken, if the long entry has been taken and there is no target means, whenever the short has been taken, it will be exceeding the position and it will be taking the short entries. So this is the procedure here taken. So whenever this is your wish. If you are using the target with the perfect stop loss also, you can use. This is the ratio you will be getting. This is the ratio you will be getting 2,673 points. If you are not using the target, you will be getting 2,825 points for the past 5 days. Okay. And if you are not using the stop loss, if you are not using also, there is no risk. I will be saying you about that. If you are not using the stop loss, there will be a opposite side entries. Whenever the long has been taken, there will be opposite side entry for the short entry. If the market is moving towards the opposite side. So if you are not using the stop loss also, this is the ratio. Okay, sir. So now we are just seeing for the 5th July. From the 5th July till date, we are seeing this result 2,791 points. So if you want to see for the previous 5 days, you just go to the 5th day. Now I am going to keep the chart for the 5th day. That means 5th July. So now you can see chart has been came on the 5th July. This is the last available bar in the TradingView platform. So now I am going to do the backtest for the previous 5 days again. So for this, I am going to keep the replay mode here. I am just clicking on the replay mode. I am just clicking the replay mode here means it will be showing you for the previous 5 days backtest. Okay. So now the strategy has been taken for the previous 5 days backtest. And you can see 2,718 points has been reached with the 30 trading entries. Okay. And it has been given you 100% returns because there is no max drawdown. There is no stop loss and for the before 5 days. That means you can see the list of trades from which date? 28th June till this 2nd July. Till the 2nd July, there is no stop loss entered here. Okay. So this is the ratio we can keep and we can do the backtest only in 5 seconds for 10 days. So in the 10 days backtested ratio, we have reached the target of 5,000 points till date. Okay. So if you want to see the previous backtest, you just wait for, we can see only the TradingView is providing only for the 10 days backtest and like this only. I have kept the replay mode and I have also tried for the previous backtest for before this 10 days, but we could not do that procedure in TradingView because there is the candles only available for 10 days in TradingView platform. So this is the backtest result for 5 seconds time frame also. So if you have any other doubts, you can clear with me right now. And I will be also showing about 15 minutes and 1 hour also. If you need, I can show it.
Sir, in which segment we have to trade this, sir? Whether in option or futures?
So you can start trading with any other. If you are a future trader also, you can start trading, and option trader also start trading. We will be making this strategy, and we will be setting this strategy for algo system. That means you can easily take trades with the automated trade entries through. Now we have designed this strategy for Algosys platform right now. For Bank Nifty Direct Index, you will be getting the alerts. That means what are the signals are given in Bank Nifty alerts. You are getting the signal in Bank Nifty Direct Index. So it will be transferred from like an alert. We are keeping, there is an option in TradingView. We are keeping the alert.
Okay.
And it will be transferred towards the Algosys platform right here. You can see this is the Algosys platform. This platform is available. You can see in online also. This platform will be providing you a API bridge, which will be connected towards your Demat account and TradingView platform. So whenever the alert has been sent, it will be directly punching the order in your Demat accounts. So Algosys platform is just providing you for 3 brokers account as you can connect. That means Fires, Alice Blue, and Angel Brokering. Okay, this is right now available, and we are also trying to code our strategy with TradeTron, which is another platform, which will be providing you whatever Demat account you have, you can start trading. There is almost 25 Demat account available there. So you can start trading with TradeTron also. We are also working for that. Now, if you want to do a Algosys, that means automated trade entries, you can start with the Algosys platform. If you want to log in, you just get a free trial. You can access this as a free trial, but you need to recharge this per month 1,000 rupees. They are charging just 1,000 rupees per month to get automated trade entries. So if you want to see about the Algosys, you can just log in and see whatever the password or stuff. So you can see.
Trade will get executed automatically, sir, or we need to punch the order?
No. It will be executed automatically. Just we need to make a setup. This setup will be done by us itself. After getting access with our indicator, we will be doing this setup for you. Okay, sir. So you just
Okay,
you
so
just
which
need
means the
to
money
log
has to
into.
be okay. Money has to be in our account, and we have to give start like that, and then it'll automatically punch, buy, sell, everything, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. Whenever the indicator provides you a signal, it will be transferred to your Demat account. For this, we need a platform, right? So we have preferred this platform right now. So it will be punching the order in 1 second in your Demat account. Whenever the alert has been triggered, it will be punching the order 1 second in your Demat account. So you can see this is the login procedure. That means you need to log in with your Alice Blue. If you click this button, you need to give your client ID and password, and after it will be connected with your Demat account. So after that, you can fix here what are these options strike price you can choosing. That means this procedure we will be teaching you. That means we will be making you, if you are a future trader also we can make, and if you are an option trader you can easily make here option mapping. There is an option with long entry. If the long entry has been executed, it will be buying the call option with the weekly expiry,
Okay.
nearest weekly expiry with the ITM strike price. Now I have set it with ITM strike price. If you are a put option trader, say when the short entry has been taken, it will be buying the put option weekly with 200 points ITM strike price. That is plus 200 is ITM strike price for put option, right? So when we
Okay.
give this code towards our indicator will be giving you an option called strategy here. Okay, this in this tab you need to copy and paste the strategy here. So this is fully once again. So now I have copied the strategy code and I have pasted here. So after keeping this, you just click OK, and you need to set the manual setup. That is, if you are trading with intraday, whatever you need, you can see the backtest result, and according to the backtest result, we are taking the strategy as an intraday or if you want to trade with the position also you can trade. So now I have kept for intraday OK. So after we need to keep for alert. This system is the only thing I will be teaching you. Whenever after you are getting access, we will be giving you the alert system and what are the procedures to make it to a Algosys platform. We will be teaching you. You just need to log in with Algosys platform. You just need to log in with Algosys platform. If you are getting a free trial also okay. If you want to go for a 1 month fees also, it's okay. Okay, after that you just we will be teaching you how to set the option strike price. If you are a future trader also, you can do automated traders with Algosys platform.
Okay traders, till now we have seen every details about our automated trading strategy. And if you have any other doubts with our indicator, you can WhatsApp us. We will be clearing with the Zoom meet and I will be explaining you about the strategy. Okay, thank you traders. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you have understood about the automated trading entries, and let us start the automated trading platform from today. Thank you.